See it? But that's what we're doing today. Hold on, let me show you the middle piece here. Got the old logo on it. So I'm gonna try to put this on today. But before I do anything, I got one problem I need to take care of before I start. Take a guess. Oh, there it is. Tools, boxes, everything just scattered. So I'm gonna take care of that real quick. Okay, well I lied. It's better. I made room, and I kind of organized some things. Put all my wrenches back in there. Totally didn't just take all my power tools and just put them in the trunk. You didn't see that. Alright, well, I took off the old one about 2 years ago and threw it away. So it's been a minute before I've touched a steering wheel in general. But I guess just read the directions and figure it out. Well, I put this little spring in there and I triggered the contact, so I need to take the unplug the battery here. Alright, well, I put the spring in that white sleeve, and then there's a little black sleeve in there. So I put the wire through the black sleeve, and then it locks into place. If you can see it right there, locks into place. So now I got to put this metal sleeve on. I'm guessing that's this. It's more like a, oh yeah, I guess that goes on right there. Okay, yeah, flashlight. That just slid on the shaft right there. Like now I can put on the new hub. Alright, hub is on. It just slides right on. Now I gotta grab the post cover. I'm guessing that's this. From the picture, that's what it looks like. Does the horn contact go? No? Okay, just this goes on first. It slides right on there. Let me put the wheel on. I can't do this one-handed. Horn button. Oh, I don't like that. Okay, it's all coming back apart. It's fine. There's a picture for routing. It's not very clear though. We're gonna try that for now. Okay, here's what I got so far. Okay, so wheel is kind of on. This is like the contact, I guess. Maybe. I don't really know. But it's on. I gotta tighten these 3 bolts down. Try to hide this. I guess I can do that once it's tight. I gotta tighten the main nut down. And then put the cover on. Hopefully it works. It just keeps you darker and darker outside, but don't know how tight it has to be, but that's pretty tight. Torch spec. Click. Alright, that's good. I don't know if I like it. It's on there. Okay, well, I guess that's the final. So I guess that's that. It's kind of hard to see because, well, it's dark and I don't have very good lighting, but 3-spoke, I like it. It's simple. It's nothing crazy. It's nothing too big either. It's kind of a smaller wheel compared to the old ones. So, but yeah. Moving on. Alright, I got the horn. Alright, I got the battery plugged back in. Let's see if it works. Oh yeah, I hear the relay clicking. She works. Hey, I'm sorry for the short video. Still trying to figure this whole filming thing out. I had a lot of issues with low lighting, and towards the end of filming that video, it was actually, I left the ND filter on from before, which sucks. So now I know. Also, golfing and gaming videos are coming out soon. It's been super hot. Too hot for golf video because my camera will overheat, which I don't want. More car videos are coming out. I'll try to do better with filming them. So if you want to hang around to watch this channel grow, consider subscribing. I know my buddy's gonna start working on videos too, so we're gonna have more consistent uploads rather than me uploading once a week or two. But I'm trying as well. So other than that, thank you for watching. There's more to come. Have a good one.